everyone, this is Gurpreet. Are you looking for a way to reduce the vibration and noise of your washing machine? Look no further. The VYOOx Multi-Purpose Anti-Vibration Pads are here to help. These pads are made of high-quality resin fiber plastic and TPU glue, making them durable and long-lasting. They are designed to fit the most top and front washing machines and dryers, as well as other household appliances and furniture table legs. The unique design of the grooves tightly grasp the feet of the washing machine, effectively reducing vibration and noise. You can also adjust the height of the pads to fit your machine if necessary. These pads are also easy to clean and install. No tools or messy adhesives are required. Just lift the machine and place the shock-absorbing pad in the correct position. So get the VYOOx Multi-Purpose Anti-Vibration Pads and enjoy a quiet and vibration-free washing machine.